Welcome back. Now what we need to do is that we need to create a new page called payment.php so that we can take the user to that page. So I'm going to create a new page here called payment.php. And then in this page, in the payment.php, first we need to get the code from the, let's say from the checkout. So from the checkout, I'm going to copy the complete code and then I'm going to paste it in the payment. And then now in the payment, we need to do the following. First, we need to remove this part at the top. We don't need this. We don't need this code. So I'm going to remove this code. We don't need this code. We need the header, and then we need this part. And then here I'm going to say payment, and instead of checkout, I'm going to say payment. Payment. And then we don't need here, we need to say, let's say payment. Payment. And then we need to remove this part. With this form, I'm going to remove this form. This form, I'm going to remove this form. So I'm going to remove this and this. So we should have only this code. So we should have only this code, and here we should display the amount as well as the payment button. So here, just for now, I'm going to display a hard-coded amount. I'm going to say here total. And then like this, and then let's say button. Just for now, I'm going to say button, pay now, and then I'm going to change this shortly. Enter this code. We need to say here dev. We need to say dev, and then inside that dev, first we need to give this dev a class, and that class is going to be mxauto, and also container, and also text center. These three are bootstrap classes, and then I'm going to copy this code and then I'm going to paste it inside. Work on this later. We need to work on this later, so I'm going to remove this from now. For now, I'm going to remove this and I'm going to push this inside, and that's it.